All right, good morning, crew. Terry Tyler here, and what we're doing is we're going to go out. This is the first moderate risk of the 2019 storm season, and it's looking like this is going to be one of the most powerful days. We've had days and days of flooding rains. I spoke to a gentleman here in Tupelo. He said that it's the worst flooding he's seen since he's lived here, and the guy owns a hotel. So chances are we're going to see more rain on that today. Lots of flash flooding. The Delta, lots of low-lying areas that are just completely inundated with this flooding threat. So what we were looking at today, I don't know if you guys have had a chance. I can't do it right now, but take a look at the COD storm slinkies. They literally do like a 90-degree angle right at the surface, and then they take off. We're looking at like 120 knots of jet stream. Very, very powerful upper low combined with very deep low-level moisture. I think we're at least 65-degree dew points and higher. And all this is going to be accompanied by a very broad warm sector. You know, the warm sector area is going to be wide open today, and I think that's what's going to separate today from some of the other days. I've looked at some of the models. They're showing anywhere between 18 and 21Z we could have initiation. And it's looking like I-55 could be a safe bet. I-22 could be a safe bet. I think some of these are going to go after the overnight hours. I-40 or 45 is going to be a good bet. But it could be bad. I think we could see some strong tornadoes, a couple EF3s, maybe even higher. So watch out. Also, these storms are going to be trucking. You know, we're talking about 60 to 80 mile an hour storm motions. So faster than you can drive. And also, I noticed looking at the radar, they're moving very fast at a southwest to northeast orientation. There's storm modes. Pretty much what that means is you're going to have to do some core punching. If you're actually going to get into the storm, there's pretty much no way, the way they move, they're going to be coming front flank downdraft first. You're going to have to go through the front flank downdraft. And that means you're pretty much going to be at the mercy of the storm. They call it the bear's cage. We don't know exactly what's on the other side of that bear's cage, but basically you're going to be going through the front flank core. Yes, they're talking large hail today, so watch out. You have to go through the front flank core, the heavy rains, the blinding winds, and the hail, not to mention the lightning. And then you come out at the UDI. The UDI is what's known as the updraft downdraft interface. That's where you're going to find the wall cloud, the mesocyclone, basically your TC or your tornado cyclone. So you're going to want to be aware of that, depending on where you are. Some people, they may be able to play it south a little bit on some of those north-south oriented roads. On those roads, they may be able to come up south safely. But on a day like today, they're moving so fast. If you want to get in there, you're going to have to get in there. There's no other way. So keep an eye out. Again, check out some of these websites. I'll try to post them in the link. We're expecting these thunderstorms to form pretty soon, and we're going to try to see if we can't stream live from the drone. So take it easy.